Hello, English learners. In today's session, we'll go through 20 B2 level English vocabulary questions provided to help you expand your vocabulary and improve your language skills. Let's get started. 1. Which word means to encourage or persuade someone to do something? Deter, enable, motivate. The correct answer is C, motivate. 2. What does inevitable mean? Avoidable, certain to happen, surprising. The correct answer is B, certain to happen. 3. What is the meaning of consequence? Result, cause, reward. The correct answer is A, result. 4. What is another word for to suggest something indirectly? Imply, declare, deny. The correct answer is A, imply. 5. Which word means to make something seem less important or valuable? Enhance, undermine, justify. The correct answer is B, undermine. 6. What is the opposite of flexible? Rigid, adaptable, responsive. The correct answer is A, rigid. 7. Which word means to prevent someone from doing something? Permit, prohibit, suggest. The correct answer is B, prohibit. 8. What does significant mean? Meaningless, important, ordinary. The correct answer is B, important. 9. What is the meaning of assume? To take for granted without proof, to prove something, to reject an idea. The correct answer is A, to take for granted without proof. 10. Which word means to make something new or different? Innovate, imitate, repeat. The correct answer is A, innovate. 11. What is the meaning of perspective? Attitude or viewpoint, opportunity, conclusion. The correct answer is A, attitude or viewpoint. 12. What does prioritize mean? To delay something, to arrange in order of importance, to reject something. The correct answer is B, to arrange in order of importance. 13. Which word means to support or strengthen? Criticize, reinforce, weaken. The correct answer is B, reinforce. 14. What is the meaning of temporary? Lasting forever, lasting for a limited time, unchangeable. The correct answer is B, lasting for a limited time. 15. What does reliable mean? Not trustworthy, dependable, inconsistent. The correct answer is B, dependable. 16. Which word means to recognize or identify? Ignore, acknowledge, conceal. The correct answer is B. Acknowledge. 17. What is the opposite of complicated? Simple, intricate, difficult. The correct answer is A. Simple. 18. Which word means to focus all your attention on something? Neglect, concentrate, avoid. The correct answer is B. Concentrate. 19. What does emphasize mean? To highlight the importance of something, to ignore something, to criticize something. The correct answer is A. To highlight the importance of something. 20. What is the meaning of permanent? Lasting forever, lasting temporarily, uncertain. The correct answer is A. Lasting forever.